In this video, I will be showing you how to create name tags in Canva. Let's get started. First, I head to the search bar and type in name tags to see the available templates. There are plenty of pre-made designs here, but today I want to build my own, so I'll click Create a Blank Tag Landscape. Once my blank canvas opens, I go to the Elements tab on the left and search for name tag graphics. I'll scroll through the options and select this wavy frame, then I'll resize it to fit at the top of my page. Next, I'll add a few more styles, like this tag with a little character, and position it right below. I'll grab the matching girl version too, making sure they're sized and aligned perfectly next to each other. Now I'll add a classic Hello, My Name Is sticker, resizing it so it fits nicely in the bottom corner. I'll add a second one for variety, and I can easily change the color by clicking the color box and selecting a new shade, like this bright pink. To add names, I click the top tag and add a text box. I'll type in the first name, Keon, and then browse through the fonts to find something bold and clear. Once I've picked a font, I'll open the spacing menu to increase the letter spacing for a cleaner look. Now I can just copy and paste that text box onto my other tags, updating the names as I go, like Maverick, here and adjusting the spacing to fit the shape. I'll do the same for the next one, changing the text to L and centering it within the graphic. Finally, I'll add names to my sticker tags, typing James and then Paula to finish off my set. And that's it, custom name tags ready for your next event or classroom.